today I want to show you and learn something new. So let's start. I will show and the next will explain what I want. So go to this element and go up. Okay. So for this element you need strong back and hips. So let's start. First of all, do exercise for your back. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay, the next will be this. Go. 1, also hips. For this, you can do this element and go down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And keep this exercise and try straight your hips and legs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay, so let's start. Try again this element. So first of all, prepare your hand and your hand. The second one. Go to this position and carefully. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay, cool. Namaste. Oops. So it's so hard, and for doing this exercise you can work hard and carefully. Do this exercise 3 times in your training, and in future you can see your progress. So if you want more information about these elements, see the next video, and so see you soon. Bye bye.